you can make good money helping other people make more money on Amazon.
Boom, I sold 650,000 in used books on Amazon in 2015. You see that? That's fucking hustle.
Reezy Resells. Follow the hustle.
What's up, guys? Right now we're heading into the cafe to do a consultation. So the cafe sells on Amazon. I got them set up on Amazon. I got them approved for grocery, and they sell their coffee on Amazon, local cafe to me. But they still need some more help, and so we're doing some consultation on ads, different stuff like that. I want you guys to know that if you understand Amazon good enough to sell on Amazon, you probably know much more than any of the businesses around you. So you can essentially go door to door and ask businesses if they sell on Amazon, and if they don't, you can set them up, you can consult with them, and you can make money using your knowledge to help them make more money on Amazon. Or maybe they don't want to sell, maybe they want to make you the exclusive supplier of their products, or maybe they want to give you a commission. Either way, guys, there's money to be made in an untraditional way using what you know about Amazon to help other businesses make money on Amazon. Right, Luna? Do you know anything about Amazon?
One time I found these like hippie cards, and I thought we were going to keep them. I thought they were like worth nothing, but they were actually worth $77 used soul cards.
Wow, good job.
I'm a bigger hustler than him.
Oh my God. So now I'm gonna go in and do this consultation, drink some coffee, and then we'll go on with the day. Looks like we got a little cup action going on over here.
Use some of my blinker.
3 boys, 18 cups. One thing you know is these guys are always smiling.
I gotta get the free ship sample.
Except for Chuck, he's a little serious sometimes. Okay, consultation is over. Luna was very well behaved. Thank you, Luna. It was about an hour long. I helped them out with a lot of stuff, making their page better, adjusting their keywords, talking to them about PPC, also about sponsored listings, banner ads, and product placement ads. We also talked a little bit about Facebook marketing, how they can get more reviews, different strategies they can use to leverage their employees to get reviews and different stuff like that. So I'm very excited. I didn't charge them, but they did try to pay me, but instead I will ask them for a favor in the future, and I'm sure they will be willing to help me. So there's a lot of things they can help me with, whether I want to start a Reezy Resells coffee brand, or a Super Spro Bros coffee brand, or any number of different things. So right now I'm scratching their back, and in the future I'll ask them to scratch my back. So, and if they don't want to, that's perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. I enjoy helping people anyways, especially my friends. Yeah, big things coming in the future. But what I want you guys to know is that you can definitely charge money for this service. If you watch my videos or you're on my channel, you know a lot about Amazon, much more than the average person, and you can make good money helping other people make more money on Amazon. And that's really what you want to do. Anytime you can help people make more money, that's the easiest sell in the world. They would love to pay you for your services if you are helping them make more money. It's like free money for businesses because you're helping them generate money they didn't have before, so they would be very happy to pay you for your services and time. And there's a million ways you could do it. You can help them do their brand on Amazon, getting their brand registered. You can help them sell the products that they already have wholesale accounts with in their store on Amazon as a third-party seller, including making listings, training their employees, maybe managing the whole thing yourself, doing ads, even other stuff that's not directly Amazon related, like Facebook marketing. You know a lot about this stuff, guys, so don't forget that you can use it not just for yourself but also for other people. And you might not think you're an expert, but chances are you are close to an expert, if not an expert, at least at the level that people would be willing to pay you for. Because if they have to pay their employees $15 an hour, which is the minimum wage here in California, to research all these things, it's going to take them forever to figure it all out. Whether it's your friend's cafe or you're going door to door. I know a person, Hustle Herbs on Instagram, he goes basically door to door to businesses in his town and he pitches them on merch products, merch by Amazon, stuff like that. He says, hey, you guys have shirts? No. Would you guys like to have shirts? I have a t-shirt printing company and I could get you guys listed on Amazon. And he also offers them other products that aren't available on Amazon, builds a catalog, shows it to them, they get in. Sometimes they don't even want any money, they're just happy to have the products for themselves and for their customers. And then on top of that, you could use your Amazon affiliate link to double dip on the purchases. There's a lot more details into that, and I'll make another video on that. I should actually get him on the show. For now, I'm gonna take Luna to the Museum of Discovery, and she's gonna play for about an hour or two.
2 hours.
And I'm gonna work on a book that I'm writing that I'm actually almost done. I'm very excited to release it to you guys, but I'm gonna work on that on my laptop and maybe work on some Instagram stuff. She's gonna play, and you guys can see that now. Before we go into the museum, we're gonna head into Target and do some hustling. Luna doesn't look too excited, but it's gonna be good.
We're just gonna run through and not get anything.
We're gonna check for clearance and see for any deals. And then after that, we're gonna go to the museum because Target's attached to the mall, which is where the Museum of Discovery is. So we have to walk through Target anyways. So what a good time to do some retail arbitrage. Let's go. You thinking about doing retail arbitrage?
No, I'm thinking about what toy I want to get if I'm good.
So I'm in the toy aisle and I came across this Funko Han Solo only at Target, which if you resell Funko Pops, if you're approved for that, you always want to look for the exclusive ones or the ones with like other little like limited stickers here. I believe they're called chasers. So I was checking this one out and I was looking up on eBay and it sold for $50 maybe about 6 days ago. The price seems to have gone down now, but I noticed that in the listing it says error $238, $248. Now this box says $248, but when you look on the back, you can see that Mud Trooper right there is actually $248 and Han Solo is $238. Now that one has a gun and this one doesn't have a gun, so it's a little bit different, but it might be worth picking up. Maybe they fix the packaging and then this goes up in value. I'm not sure. I don't know enough about Funkos to pull the trigger on this. So we're about to go into the mod and we saw they got these here. They got a giant Connect 4 and a giant chess set. So we're gonna play a quick game real quick. Hey Luna, who won? I always win.
Well, I won one time.
Maybe one time, right? And you actually won. I never let my kids win. I want it so when you win, you actually win. You beat me, you worked hard.
Guys, we're at the Museum of Discovery and we're gonna go play.
It's the middle of the day, so kids are at school. So Luna pretty much has it to herself. What are these, electronic Legos?
Yeah, we need to stick them and they light up. Oh my!
It means we're missing some, because they should all be.
This is my favorite right here. This whole table is full of kinetic sand. If you guys don't know what kinetic sand is, you're missing out. It's like the coolest thing on earth.
The mod is closed and I've been at the mod for 3.5 hours. And I had so much fun. Now we're gonna go eat some food.
We're getting some food at Five Guys, and look who showed up. It's the biggest hustler of them all. You guys know you love Rosa. Hashtag we want Rosa in the comments. So we just got home, just finished eating, and now it's espresso time. And that's how you make an amazing espresso. And then we bang it back. Now I'm gonna go on YouTube and do a little YouTube live stream discussing Instagram and some growth strategies and ways that people can improve their Instagram. So you'll see me doing that right now. And if you guys wanna watch the full video that I'm about to record, which is already done because this video will have been made after that video, which is live. That link is up here. Check that video out. Look at this hater.
Look at this paper I have to write.
Oh my god. So Rose is gonna write this paper. I'm gonna post the video that I just recorded to YouTube. If you guys want to continue to learn about Amazon businesses or get motivation or social media growth, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell alert so you don't miss anything, and stay tuned to the next video. Peace.